Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to install a Ram 3,500 pound electric trailer tongue jack. Dave with Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video. Be sure to check out the description below, you guys, because I will have all the tools and equipment linked below, as well as links to our store where you can get stuff like this hat that I'm wearing. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so the first step we want to do is get the trailer stabilized. I'm using the stabilization jacks on the RV as well as 2 jack stands on each side. The manufacturer suggests that you actually hook it to your vehicle and do it. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and lower the trailer now onto the jack stands. Hopefully you can see that there, but the jack is successfully elevated off the ground. So now we're going to go ahead and start removing the bolts. Okay, we've got our 3 bolts out, and I'm going to show you something about these bolts once I pull this out. Okay, as many of you know, I have a 32-foot trailer, and as you can see, the factory put on a 2,000 pound manual jack, so our new 3,500 pound electric jack is going to be plenty. Okay, now what I wanted to show you was that in this particular case, our frame is actually threaded for the bolts. So there was no nut on the bottom. More than likely, this will vary from trailer to trailer depending on your manufacturer. So just be aware, some of you may have nuts that you have to take off on the bottom. All right, I'm gonna get this wiped off and we'll install the new jack. Okay, before we can install our new jack, we're gonna need to remove the footplate. To do that, you just simply remove the cotter pin. And then you can remove the plate. Okay, be careful that you don't pinch the wires when you put this thing on, but now you can go ahead and slide it into place. Now we need to get our bolts back in, and what we're going to do is follow the manufacturer's suggestion. What they've done is they've provided you with 2 different kinds of washers, flat washer and this star washer, and what you're going to do is put the flat washer on the bolt, and then we're going to put the star washer between the flat washer and the plate. According to the manufacturer, what this will do is cause a metal-to-metal contact with that star washer, which is going to ground the unit. So that will be how we ground the unit, and that is why we only have 1 wire, which will be our power wire coming off of the jack. Alright, now that we've got all 3 in, we're going to go ahead and get them kind of snug, but we're not going to tighten them up yet. So our next step is that the manufacturer of the jack, they suggest that you torque these bolts down to 20 foot-pounds. So that's what we're going to do here, and as always guys, be sure to check out the links in the description because I'll have links to the jack as well as all of the parts and tools that we've used today. Okay, next step, we just need to run our wire, and basically I just ran it along with the wire that connects to the truck on this side and kind of followed it through with a zip tie there, and then kind of zip tied it to my red wire up to our terminal here. It's kind of interesting though, instructions actually say to put a fuse as close as you can to the battery. As you can see, the manufacturer actually fused it right here, so I don't know if that was like some kind of typo or old instruction. Now by all means, putting the fuse back here closer to the battery is a much better solution, but since the factory sent it this way, I'm just going to leave it. If you so desire, you can splice in a fuse at this point back here by the battery, and I may come in at a later date and go ahead and splice in a fuse, but for now, like I said, we're just going to hook it up, and I'm just going to go ahead and take one of these connectors here that I had. It does not come with the kit, but I want to make a clean installation, so I'm just going to crimp this on here. Alright, let's see if we got power. Okay, looks like our light works. You can hear the motor running. Our installation is almost complete, but you're going to want to watch this video in its entirety because I'm going to show you some other features of the jack at the end. This jack also comes with this handle right here, and I'm going to show you what that does right now. Okay, so located at the top of the jack here is this cap. You just twist it off, and in case of an emergency, if your battery dies, you just hook the handle up here, and now you can hand crank your jack up and down manually if you need to. Now this next item does not come with your jack, but I highly recommend getting one, and I'll have a link in the description below for it, and it's a cover. You just spent all this money for a nice electric jack. You might as well have the cover to keep it out of the elements. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Be sure to hit that like button if this video was helpful for you. As always, everything is in the description below, so be sure to check out those links. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!